Hello, AFTA students. This video is to help you if you're feeling a little bit stuck on our warm-up today. What we're going to be doing is trying to figure out an exponential equation that goes through this point and this point to make the stem for the flower. So it's going to have a curve like an exponential equation would have a curve. And that seems natural for a flower because a flower wouldn't just go straight to the side like that. So to start, I'm going to actually show you how to make a stem on this side because I don't want to steal the fun of trying to find your points. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be trying to find two more points, maybe around there, that would make sense for this stem. Okay? And you're going to add those points to the table. Now for me, I'm going to make my stem on the other side. So don't take my points, just look for your points on this side. So I think I'm going to make a point right here. And since this is a 2 and there are 5 boxes here, each box is going to be 0.2. So my x value is 2.2 and my y value is 2. All right, and then maybe I'll make another one, like right here. And this one, instead of going over, let's see. Yeah, maybe I'll go 2.5 and 1. Okay, that's decent. And actually, I feel like 3, well, 3 is not perfect, but I'm just trying to get some sort of exponential. So I'm going to go with 3 and 0 for this one. Now remember, you have this point over here, so you're going on this side. So I'm going to change my 1, 0 to a 3, 0. Okay, so I'm going to go with those points and try to come up with the exponential equation. So now I'm going to add a new f of x expression, and this is on your slide. You're going to have to type this, y1 tilde a parentheses b, and then for the exponent I come down here and I choose a to the b. All right, then I need parentheses x1 minus h, and then I'm going to use the right arrow and then plus. Okay, and it gives me these numbers here, and those would be the numbers that I would write down. You can look and see it goes pretty well through my points. It's not that bad. So I'm going to add a new f of x expression, and because the thing is, even though I can see the curve right here, I cannot cut it off so that it starts at the flower and it ends at the ground. And that's what I want to do. So I'm going to retype this as an equation. Instead of y1, I'm going to type y equals. And then instead of the a value, I'm going to write the a value. So it's 0.707. Yours will be different. 335. So I'm going to try 3 decimal places. Exponential functions are very picky about using a lot of decimal places. So I would definitely recommend use at least 3, but you might actually need 4 or 5 of them. We'll see how it looks. And then for the b value, 0.239. Okay, and then raised parentheses x minus, and my h is 3.199. And then right arrow, and then plus, well, it's plus and negative, so I'm going to go minus 0.93, and that runs to 7. Okay, and it's red. It looks like it's actually right on top of the black one, so that's good. I'm gonna I'm gonna restrict the domain in just a second, but now that I have this, I'm gonna delete this one. And I think I'm gonna change the color of the stem so that it's green. So I'm gonna go up here to edit, and then I'm gonna click on the color next to my stem and change it to green. Okay, so now I'm going to click on my start point, and my start point, the x value is 2, and at my end point, the x value is 3. So after my equation, I put the fancy brackets, and I'm going to have 2 is less than x is less than 3, and then close my fancy brackets. And see, that makes my stem limited like that. All right, and then the last thing I need to do is copy my link. So over here, share graph, and copy my link, and then I'm going to paste that onto the warm-up.